All right, so this is your standard Trailblazer SS intake. All right, pretty unsightly. So James ordered this piece right here.
From Special Ops Motorsports.
Special Ops Motorsports. We'll put a link in the description. That's what they look like, right? I've gone ahead and drawn a grid, as you can see, 1 inch by 1 inch, to do a turned metal on this. And then we're going to coat it with a blue transparent paint to make it match. And then there is a laser cut plate that we're going to attach to the top with the garage logo.